Tony plays a puppy, soft and small, running on grass, having a ball. Puppy jumps and licks with glee. Tony laughs happily. P is for puppy. Tony looks up. What does he see? A colorful parrot afraid. And talking to Tony smiles. P is for parrot. True. Tony pets cat so soft and neat. Tiny paws and whiskers sweet. Meow meow sounds make Tony grin. P is for pet cat. Let fun begin. Tony holds rabbit, fluffy and white, hopping around with pure delight. Long ears wiggle, cute and bright. Tony says, P's for pet rabbit. Tony watches fish swim round in a bowl without a sound. Red and blue go swish, swish, swish. Tony learns P's for pet fish. Tony sees hamster, tiny and round, nibbling seeds without a sound. Soft and cute, small as can be. Tony smiles. P's for pet hamster. C. Tony watches turtle slow, crawling gently, moving low. Shell so hard, steps so little. Tony knows P's for pet turtle. Tony hears birds sing so sweet. Chirp, chirp sounds are such a treat. Flap, flap wings up in the sky. Tony cheers. P cheers. P is for pet bird. Hi! Tony pats Pony, gentle and kind, running in fields, fun, small, whose flip, flop, mane so neat. Tony says, P's for pet pony, sweet. Tony's teeny pig, soft and small, cute little nose and eyes so tall. Wiggle, wiggle, cozy and cute. Tony learns P's for pet guinea pig too.